Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a timeless classic in the world of personal development. If you're looking to unlock your potential and achieve extraordinary success, then The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz is a must-read. This book is all about transforming your mindset to think bigger and achieve more. So let's get into it! David J. Schwartz emphasizes that the key to success is not just intelligence or talent, but the way you think. He provides practical advice and actionable steps to help you cultivate a success-oriented mindset. Let's break down the core concepts from this transformative book. Concept 1. Believe you can succeed, and you will. Schwartz explains that belief is the starting point of all success. When you truly believe in yourself and your abilities, you set the stage for achieving your goals. Schwartz shares that developing a strong belief in your success can propel you into action. He suggests using positive affirmations and visualizing your success daily. Picture yourself achieving your goals and act as if it's already happening. This mental rehearsal prepares your mind to turn your dreams into reality. Concept 2. Cure yourself of excusitis, the failure disease. Schwartz identifies this as the habit of making excuses for failures and shortcomings. Whether it's health, intelligence, age, or luck, he argues that these excuses are self-imposed barriers. To overcome excusitis, Schwartz advises us to take responsibility for our lives and focus on our strengths. By adopting a positive mindset and eliminating negative self-talk, we can break free from the chains of excuses and unlock our full potential. Concept 3. Build confidence and destroy fear. Fear is another significant obstacle to success. Schwartz discusses various types of fears, including fear of failure, fear of people, and fear of criticism. He offers practical strategies to overcome these fears, such as taking action, preparing thoroughly, and thinking positively. One effective technique is to face your fears head-on. By taking small steps towards confronting what scares you, you build confidence. Additionally, thorough preparation can alleviate anxiety and boost your self-assurance. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you become. Concept 4. How to think big. Schwartz emphasizes the importance of thinking big. He argues that setting high goals and aiming for the stars can lead to bigger actions and ultimately, bigger success. Avoid small thinking and dream big. To think big, start by setting ambitious goals. Write them down, visualize them, and break them into smaller, actionable steps. Surround yourself with people who encourage and support your big dreams. Their positive influence can help you maintain your big thinking mindset. Concept 5. How to think and dream creatively. Creativity is a crucial component of success. Schwartz encourages us to cultivate creative thinking by seeking new ideas and solutions. He suggests various techniques to enhance creativity, such as brainstorming and viewing problems from different perspectives. One technique to boost creativity is to keep an open mind and seek inspiration from different sources. Try brainstorming sessions where no idea is too wild. Sometimes, the most unconventional ideas can lead to breakthrough solutions. Concept 6. You are what you think you are. Your self-perception greatly influences how others perceive you. Schwartz emphasizes that you are what you think you are. Developing a positive self-image and acting confidently are crucial for success. To boost your self-image, dress well and behave in a manner that reflects your self-worth. Speak positively about yourself and act confidently in all situations. Remember, how you perceive yourself shapes how others perceive you. Concept 7. Manage your environment, go first class. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset and behavior. Schwartz advises us to surround ourselves with positive influences and avoid negative environments. He also stresses the importance of going first class in everything you do. Going first class means striving for the best quality in all aspects of life. This doesn't necessarily mean spending a lot of money, but rather seeking excellence and avoiding mediocrity. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people and create an environment that nurtures your growth. Concept 8. Make your attitudes your allies. Attitude is a powerful determinant of success. Schwartz explains that positive attitudes lead to positive outcomes, while negative attitudes can be self-sabotaging. He provides strategies to develop and maintain a positive attitude. One effective strategy is to maintain a positive attitude, even in challenging situations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your attitude and focus on the good in every situation. Avoid negative thinking and cultivate a mindset of optimism and gratitude. Concept 9. Think right toward people. Interpersonal relationships are crucial for success. Schwartz discusses the importance of thinking positively about others and building strong relationships. He advises us to be courteous, empathetic and supportive toward others. To build strong relationships, practice empathy and understanding in all your interactions. Think positively about others and support them in their endeavors. Strong, positive relationships can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Concept 10, get the action habit. Taking action is a critical step toward achieving success. Schwartz emphasizes the importance of developing the habit of taking action and avoiding procrastination. He provides practical tips to cultivate this habit. To develop the action habit, start by taking immediate action on your tasks. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps and tackle them one at a time. Avoid procrastination by setting deadlines and holding yourself accountable. Concept 11. How to turn defeat into victory. Failure and setbacks are inevitable on the road to success. Schwartz explains how to turn defeats into victories by learning from mistakes and persisting despite obstacles. He encourages us to view failures as opportunities for growth. View failures as stepping stones to success. Analyze what went wrong, identify lessons learned, and apply these insights to future endeavors. Persistence and resilience are key. Remember, every failure brings you one step closer to victory. Concept 12. Use goals to help you grow. Setting and achieving goals is a fundamental aspect of success. Schwartz outlines the importance of setting clear, specific goals and developing a plan to achieve them. He provides a step-by-step guide to effective goal setting. To set effective goals, write down clear, specific goals and develop a detailed plan to achieve them. Break your goals into smaller, actionable steps and set deadlines for each step. Regularly review and adjust your goals to stay on track. Concept 13. How to think like a leader. Leadership is an essential skill for achieving success. Schwartz discusses the qualities of effective leaders and how to develop them. He advises us to think and act like leaders in all aspects of our lives. Develop leadership qualities such as vision, confidence, and integrity. Think and act like a leader in all situations. Inspire and motivate others to achieve their best. Leadership isn't just about leading others, it's about leading yourself to success. In conclusion, the magic of thinking big is a powerful guide to achieving success through the power of belief and positive thinking. David J. Schwartz provides practical advice and actionable steps to help you cultivate a success-oriented mindset and achieve your goals. By applying the principles outlined in this book, you can unlock your potential and achieve extraordinary success in all areas of your life. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and success strategies. And if you've read The Magic of Thinking Big, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How has it impacted your life? Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.